Hey, how's it going? And today I just wanted to do a super quick video updating one I did a while back on the stasis underscore args. And this is a special structure that's in the Fortnite module, and it's related to putting a character in stasis. So if you click here on put in stasis, you'll see it right here. And this is very unique. You don't see this around very often. They've created this special structure down here, and it has 3 fields here. And there's 2 different styles that you can use to access these fields. And I just wanted to share that with you real super quick. The first way is here we have this, what I call the freeze method one, and it takes in an agent. And we just go ahead and get our agent and our fort character. And once we got our fort character, we call the put in stasis. And what we've done is up here at the class level, we've created an instance of the stasis arg structure. And when we do that, we put the curly braces here, and right in here, we can set the fields that we want. Now, I just have allow turning in there right now. I could put in allow falling and allow emotes and set those to true or false too, but I just have allow turning in there. So that's one way we can access those fields. When we call the fort character and put in stasis, we can reference my struct. Up here at the class level, we can instantiate it, and then we can set those fields right here. The second way we can do it is, without even having to do it up here, is when we call the fort character and put in stasis, we can put the inside the parentheses of the call, of the method call, the function call, we can go stasis underscore args, and then put curly braces, and then instantiate it down here. So there's 2 different ways to do it, basically up here or down here. So when we do it up here, we have to just reference it right there. And when we do it down here, we can do it all in one line of code. So anyway, I just wanted to throw this out there real quick. There's 2 different styles or ways of accessing those fields. So take care, have a great day, and I'll talk to you next time.